Safety is the most important things to consider in riding your bike. And for today's bike talk, we will talk about bicycle brakes. Now, what is a bicycle brakes? A bicycle brakes is a part of a bicycle which allow the cyclist to take control of the bike wheel speed by such a way of slowing or stopping it. We have different types of brake, and these are drum type, disc type, caliper type, cantilever type, and the V-brake or linear pull, direct pull brakes. The drum type brakes. This can be used to all kinds or almost all kinds of bikes such as mountain bikes, road bikes, and BMX, because the installation of this kind of brakes do not depend on what type of bike frame you have in your bike. This type of brakes uses a caliper to squeeze a pair of pads against the rotor or a disc. Squeezing will create friction to slow the rotation of the disc. If you want to use this type of brake, you must have a compatible hubs, frame, and fork. This type also comes with two kinds, and these are the mechanical disc brake and hydraulic disc brake. Caliper disc brake. This is the most commonly used type of disc brake. This is simple but strong and easy to install. This is actually a brake for rim because it directly clamping the rim of our wheel set. Cantilever brakes. This is much better or stronger than caliper brakes. This is commonly used for cyclocross bikes designed for racing and light road terrain. This type of brakes also is more expensive than the other brakes because this requires also a compatible fork in order for it to be installed. V-brake or linear pull, direct pull brake. This is common for the mountain or off-road terrain bikes, same as caliper brake. This type of brake directly squeeze the rim of the bike to slow and stop the speed of the bike. Now, what is the best brake to use among them? In my opinion, if you have more budget and want to make your ride strong, expensive, and eye-catching, then the better choice is the hydraulic brakes or disc brake and the cantilever brakes. And if you want to make your ride simple and you are contented in what you have, your brake is functioning well, then there's no need for you to upgrade. You can stay with your built-in brakes. But if your brake system is already damaged and or you want to upgrade but you don't have more budget or enough money to buy a highly expensive or costly brake system, you can choose the caliper type or the V-brake as a replacement for your brake system. And that's all for our today's bike talk. If you have questions or suggestions regarding the brake system, don't forget to comment down below and we will do our best to talk about it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.